8克大醋。OK。没有了吧？没有了，一会儿该起沫了啊！看着啊，起了沫，再像这样的下去，再像这种的，它就可以了。你看了吗？起来了吧？
对呀。
起来了之后，再下去，你看又没有了吧？你看。
哦呀。
OK， 在这种情况下你就倒了。OK， 你就这样，哎，9分钟。That's nice. OK。
So this is one of my favorite meals that my mom makes me. You know, I love a good instant ramen noodle, but this is definitely the best noodle soup that I've ever had. This isn't done. So I like to add this vinegar, and it has to be this type of vinegar. It can't be any other type, and buy this brand because I like a little tanginess to my beef noodle soup. And my mom made her own chili oil. And you know it's good when it's in a jar that was its original jar. But it looks like... Yum. Wow. Let's dig in. Just mix up everything. It's so good. Oh my gosh. The best comfort meal I've ever had. The noodles are perfectly cooked. Your chunks of beef are so tender. And I just love how there's vegetables in the noodle soup. And it's spicy. And it's a little tangy from the vinegar. So good. And the cilantro brings a lot of freshness to the soup. And the broth, rich and packed with flavor. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I could go on and on about this dish. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys try this recipe. And until then, I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.